What are we looking at here? Huh? What is this thing right here? It's a book. What are you doing? Nothing. Well, I like this guy. He's cool. Same. Carl, will you shut up? Nah. Why, Carl? Can you do anything? Yeah, I can sing. No? What do you want to do today? Will, what's up with you? I'm just a cheeky guy. My little brother's coming over. You have a little brother? Yeah, you know. Oh, yeah, I remember. I hate those two. Huh? I only have one. Doesn't he have this, like, hummingbird friend? Oh, yeah, them. Yeah, two. Huh? Who are you guys talking about? You've been here longer than I have. Carl has a little brother. I'll let you talk. Carl has a little brother. Oh, his name's Lil Carl. Okay. It's true. I haven't met them yet. They're real troublemakers. I'd like to see them. Hey, Will, I have some crab left. Do you want it? Oh, sure. Here. Thanks. Well, anyway, they're coming over, which is very upsetting. I don't know, it seems fine to me. No, it's not, Carl. No, it's not. Oh. When are they coming over? I don't know, ask Carl, he's the one who brought it up. Later today. What are you doing, Carl? I don't know. Okay. Well, I guess they'll just come. Yeah. Did your voice change? No? Hey there, we're here. We're here. Hey, bro. Hey. How's it going, little Carl? It's going great. How you doing? Absolutely fantastic. He doesn't seem that bad. Just wait till they're hyped up on sugar. Okay. Hey, I'm Tiny. This is my friend Lil Carl. Yeah, I'm Lil Carl. You guys talk the exact same way. I know, isn't it weird? We really hit it off with each other. I have a twig beak. Twig. They do seem a little annoying. Let's see, follow me. Hey, Will. They're not fine. Why are we getting off? You just knocked Carl off. Why did you do that? I don't know. Ow! What was that for? That really hurt. Was that necessary? You got us all out of line. Sorry. We're sorry, Balt. You better be. They don't seem very polite. I don't like these guys either. I'm a cardinal. Your voice keeps changing, Carl. Are you okay? Carl. What are you doing, man? Carl. Carl, are you okay? I'm a crane. Huh? Who? What? What the heck are you? I'm a crane. It's a crane. Crane! Whoa! I know this guy. You do? This is Crane. That's his name? Hey, there was a guy named Dr. Crane at Vireo Park that was trying to diagnose the weird creature that was there. Oh yeah, they're the same species. Same name? No, the other guy's last name is Crane. Dr. Crane. His real name is Malco. Malco? Mako. Okay. Yeah, this guy's name's Crane. His middle name is Crane. His name's Crane. Okay. He's one of our friends back in, like, 2019 or something. I'm a crane. Yeah, did you know I'm a crane? You look like a crane. Because I am a crane. I'm a literal crane. See my beak? I'm a crane. I'm not involved in this. Hey, can we go jump off a bridge? No, that's too dangerous. Yeah, that seems a little dangerous, doesn't it? Carl, shut up. What did I do? Hey! Bolt! We have something to tell you. What is it? We have something to tell you. What? You stink! What? Hey! Dog, you knocked down the lamp! That should be a fire hazard! Where did they go? Oh no, we lost them! Where did they go? Did they just run off? I don't know where they went. Where'd they go? I don't know. Where's Crane? Yeah, where'd the Crane guy go? I don't see him anywhere. That was random. Yeah. Where are those troublemakers? Hey, I just cut down a lighthouse. What? How'd you do that? How did you... It's like food. You're not the last person that's eaten my food. Hey, you stink. What? No, I don't. Yeah, you do. No, I don't. Yeah, you do. Hey, I'm gonna throw you off. Ow! That hurt. You gotta get rid of these guys. Could you guys go back to wherever you came from? What do you mean? We live in this bird town. Yeah, we live in the same place you guys live. You are knocking everything down. Hey, look! A cool little marker. You just knocked down my mother's china. Huh? Your mother owns china? No, not the country. The plating. Hey! Hey! Horsey! Get it off me! These guys are... I hate them every time they come over. They got lost in space once. Huh? Yeah. How did they do that? We like made a helicopter or something. What the? Yeah. It's weird. Crane was there. Woohoo! Where are they? It's gonna be impossible to find them in all these boxes. Maybe we should join them. No, Carl. Hey, what was that for? You're the most annoying guy I've ever met. Someone agrees. Oh, okay, where are they? So much packaging. Huh? Is that one of them moving? Peekaboo! Where are ya? Ah! Whoa! What even was that? Where did he go? Ah, there he is!